una pasión, mostrar el lugar donde uno crece.
Tiene desiertos, valles, montañas, glaciares, mar, lagos, ríos. De todo un poco del mundo lo encuentro en Chile de norte a sur.
There's just something about the vulnerability of showing up to a place on a bike that people are receptive to.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hey Sergio, guess what? We're coming to Chile.
Oh, qué buena onda que vengan.
You should be able to put it on. Yeah. I asked Franco, I was like, man, what do you think? Should we start riding? And it's raining. And he's like, dude, this is Patagonia. I was like, yeah, we're gonna ride. We should probably just ride. Okay.
When people think of traveling in Chile, they think about one small corner of a huge and expansive region. And this trip is a way to really get beyond that little tiny circle.
I get really excited about sharing the concept of using the bike as a tool for traveling and exploring. And that's, you know, the inspiration ultimately behind starting Revolución. It's what I love to do, and it's what I want to share with people.
¿Era hasta acá nomás? What do you guys think? This is so fun. De aquí a los termos más o menos, ¿cuánto tiempo? 3 horas en el carro.
When I consider designing any new trip, it's taking a list of like what makes an amazing travel experience. Interesting local people, it's beautiful scenery, it's, you know, new local foods, it's all of those things. Yeah, we wanted to come down and make sure that not only did we understand how things would work, but that we could create that intimate connection with the place. Chris and the OneSeed team has been doing amazing trekking tours down in the southern region of Patagonia for a long time. And so I kind of became obsessed with this idea of combining the northern Patagonia region and the southern Patagonia region.
So when Britton talked about doing this as a biking trip, it felt like a really good fit because we were able to expand what we're doing here and build on the expertise and knowledge of Revolución.
Hola, buenas tardes. Muchas gracias.
So we come into Cayon, we head north, we try to skip this bed here.
Yeah.
And just get to, are you thinking to the coast and try to do this?
So, because it'd be nice to have some unpaved miles, some gravel miles, and that's what this section is. Bueno.
Lo agreste del clima, del ambiente, hace que tu forma de hacer sea distinta. Un poco más dura, más aperrada, en el sentido de que le hace más esfuerzo.
There's definitely something about the speed of a bike that works so well for traveling like this. It's fast enough to be fun and exciting, but slow enough to really take in your surroundings and get lost in your thoughts. And the miles and miles of quiet gravel roads down here are perfect for that.
For me, this trip is a reminder of why it's so important to take the time to come down here and actually meet the people that make this whole experience so much more unique. People like Sergio, whose sincere love for Patagonia is as deep as his concern for protecting it.
And then there's Franco, whose stories about growing up in such a remote and wild part of the world were such a clear reflection of the spirit of the people down here. Honestly, even if the groups we bring down here take nothing more than those relationships home with them, I'd say we've accomplished something pretty special.
Stuck in the middle, foot to the pedal, will I ever go? Heads in the center, hearts